Good evening, I'm Lily Clarks, and welcome to NewsWire TV. In financial news tonight, there's positive news for those in the housing market. As of today, August 31st, 2024, mortgage and refinance rates have remained steady, with the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage holding below 6% throughout the entire week. This marks a continued period of stability in the housing market, offering potential buyers and homeowners looking to refinance a rare opportunity to secure favorable rates. The consistent sub-6% rate is a significant improvement compared to the highs seen earlier this year, and it could prompt increased activity in the market as more people look to take advantage of these lower borrowing costs. Financial experts suggest that this trend could provide some much-needed relief to those facing affordability challenges in the current economic climate. In cryptocurrency news, it's been a tough month for digital assets, with major losses reported across the board. Ether, the second-largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is on track to close August with a significant loss of over 20%. This sharp decline marks one of the most challenging periods for Ether this year, raising concerns among investors. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, the world's most well-known cryptocurrency, isn't faring much better. It's facing its fourth weekly loss in 5 weeks, signaling continued volatility in the market. The downturn in both Ether and Bitcoin reflects broader uncertainties in the crypto space, as regulatory pressures and market dynamics weigh heavily on digital assets. As investors navigate these turbulent times, the future of cryptocurrencies remains uncertain. We'll continue to monitor the situation and bring you the latest updates. Dramatic turn of events has shaken the financial world as Temu, the rapidly growing online retailer, faces a major setback. After enjoying 2 years of explosive growth, Temu's parent company experienced a staggering loss of over $50 billion in just a few hours. This sudden drop has left investors and analysts scrambling to understand what went wrong. The sharp decline in the company's value has raised concerns about the sustainability of its business model and the challenges it may face moving forward. Speculation is mounting over what triggered this market reaction, with some pointing to potential regulatory issues or shifts in consumer behavior. As the situation unfolds, the future of Temu and its parent company remains uncertain. We'll continue to monitor this developing story and bring you the latest updates. We turn now to Japan, where Typhoon Shanshan has caused significant disruption across the country. The powerful storm has brought heavy rainfall, strong winds, and widespread flooding, leading to the cancellation of flights and train services. Thousands of residents have been urged to evacuate, with emergency services on high alert as the typhoon continues to move across the region. The storm's impact has been felt particularly hard in coastal areas, where high waves and storm surges have caused additional damage. Authorities are working tirelessly to respond to the situation, but the extent of the disruption is already severe. As Typhoon Shanshan continues its path, the Japanese government is urging caution and preparedness, with further disruptions expected in the coming days. We'll keep you updated as this story develops. Now on to news from the Middle East, where a joint operation between U.S. and Iraqi forces has resulted in casualties. During a raid targeting suspected militant hideouts, 7 U.S. troops were injured in intense fighting. The operation, which took place earlier today, led to the deaths of 15 suspected militants. The raid was part of ongoing efforts to combat extremist groups in the region, but the injuries to American soldiers highlight the dangers still present in these operations. The injured troops are currently receiving medical treatment, and their conditions are being closely monitored. The raid underscores the continuing risks faced by military personnel involved in such missions, as well as the volatile security situation in parts of Iraq. As more details emerge, we'll keep you updated on this developing story. Stay with NewsWire TV for the latest. I'm Lily Clarks. Thanks for joining us.